Hello everyone and welcome. As you can see, I'm back at the house. It's going to be a really short video because the work here is done. Unfortunately, this is just going to be an update with what we did around the house. This was one of the main update that is going to happen was wife's project, and she didn't really want to be filmed while I helped her do it. This was mostly her, with just me doing everything. I'm kidding. No. I helped with a lot of the heavy stuff, like putting the concrete and making mold and so on and so forth, because we did some bricklaying work. Alright, I'll just flip the camera and show you everything that has been going on the property, and I didn't have a chance to film. I know that there's been a lot of those lately, but it's really hot in here because this is like mid-July, even though I think this is coming around like August, and I'm really hoping that by now the weather has taken down, the heat wave has gone down. I hope so. I don't have no idea what's coming in the future. Alright, let me just flip the camera and show you. Alright, this is not the thing I wanted to show you. We're gonna rotate right now and I'm gonna show you. Look, we made this lovely little brick wall. This is going to be a garden for her with some flowers and so on and so forth right next to the windows. There's still the big pile of rocks that needs to be moved, but that's a future me problem. And we did that one, and we did here another one here as well. This one is smaller because the ground here is higher, but the overall height is the same on both sides. This is one of the updates that we did, and this is the second time we had to build this one because the first time we used quite too little cement and it kind of fell apart. Hopefully this one will last longer. So yeah, I'm gonna go like back and give you a full picture of how the entrance to the house is gonna look. Don't mind the chair, that's not gonna be there. But yeah, it looks much better. It's gonna get painted and it's gonna look nicer than this, and it's gonna look awesome. And the concrete entryway is going to get some tiles on it, and it's gonna look amazing. But that's like a finished project, and that's like one of the last things that we'll do. All right, let's move on. There is an update regarding the water, because in the middle of this heat wave, from 4 hours a day, we got our water cut to 2 hours a day, and it doesn't even have pressure enough to fill that thing to push water over there. I have to pump it up there with my own pump, but I have added this lovely little pump that increases the pressure from the tank to my faucet, and is also activated when somebody turns on the faucet. And now I can use my heating coil up there and use the water in the tank, and I have plenty of water to last me like a week in a full tank if I ever get to chance to fill it. Another thing that we did, I put bricks all around the shower. That is to stop the water from going under and towards the neighbor's yard. So yeah, this is going to fix. I haven't, it's still fresh, the cement. After it dries, I'm going to come with caulking and seal it off completely so that nothing goes, everything goes down the drain. And I will be pouring some self-leveling cement to cover everything and to give it a better slope. I'm thinking if I just pour it from the corners and just let it feel naturally, it will just take a slope style. And if not, I'm just going to try and push it towards the drain. I'm not showing it. To push it towards the drain to get a lovely little tilted plane. All right, to get everything to go down the drain. All right, that's it. Let me just flip it and do. Okay. So those are the updates for what's been going on around here. I hope you enjoy it, me working around my house and just showing you the results. If so, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and share it with a friend. Alright, bye bye. I'll see you in the next one.